I've been dreaming about this for such a long time. There is something so satisfying about being organized while traveling, but as soon as I had my daughter, there became so many bits and bobs to keep track of. Trips became really chaotic, and now I just find myself searching for systems to keep myself organized. Everything needs to have its own home. The Londona packing ritual is just that. It's fully customizable to cater to your needs, so you can either use one pouch, two pouches, or if you're like me, all of the pouches. I'm currently packing for my baby moon, and I know as soon as this baby girl gets here, my life is gonna get way crazier than it already is, so I'm pretty determined to make this baby moon as relaxing as it possibly can be. I'll be packing all of my pampering goodies and using every pouch that this system has to offer. One of my favorite features of the Londona packing system is that the pouches can fit inside the Londona pouch. Now I am all packed for my baby moon, and the next time I'll be packing up these pouches is for the hospital. Can't wait to show you guys that. I also cannot wait to see how you use these pouches. I hope you love them as much as I do.